All right. Well, sound looks good. Let's get to cooking here. And trying to figure out what these streams are for. They feel very jazzy, but sometimes in between I code without video, but for some reason I feel a lot more focused when I'm streaming and programming. It's very bizarre. Um, I remember at Pi Data Seattle last year, Holden Craw um, talked about how streaming is useful for people with ADHD. I probably should have like listened to that a little bit sooner, but it's hard to keep replaying yourself. Um, but I figure all of these other streams that I've done have like really taken a long time to sort of get to the punchline. So let's see if we can start there this time. Um, and Nice. Isn't that sick? Yeah, I made this recently because I thought it would be fun. It's just a bunch of video elements connected to the same source with some like rotations around it and stuff like that. And I thought it was kind of fun, right? The movement's interesting. I don't know. I know it's almost like I can't like really share this unless I'm streaming, right? Because it's in motion. It's super interesting because some of the early work and color acknowledged that like a lot of what we recognize is like color in motion, right? This is my little Mishka Keyboard mouse that I've had forever, but that's kind of cool with the little rotating effect. Or Maybe we see what this Wayne White pencil case looks like here. Um, Really, Wayne's one of my favorite artists. Um, Great documentary. Beauty's embarrassing. It's on some streaming. But yeah, this is a pencil case from one of his pieces. Got quite a few Wayne White guys here. But yeah, no, it's interesting when all these sort of different scales, all these different colors that we can go and make, and just like a little bit of rotation on the videos. Kind of sick. Let's do yeah, what's the keyboard look like? I don't know. Like at this point, like we've got all of these things that we can go and like reuse and start thinking about and visualizing here. Um, my dirty ass keyboard. That's fun. That's very kaleidoscope, isn't it? Oh, kaleidoscope. That's cool. That's a good spelling of kaleidoscope. Oh yeah, nice. Live captioning, sick. Anyway, I was gonna get a little bit weirder with this. Um, let's do one thing. We already have the F word in here, and I don't know. People say it's like a dirty, ugly word, but for me, it's just like first trick I do. But I want to just see. Actually, maybe. I mean, maybe we just like use some stuff that's already here. Let's see. Um, let's find something that's got like fun textures that we could imagine uh, looking kind of cool here. I can't believe I haven't found. There's too too many too many fucks gave that day. Um, let's see, none of these, none of these. We'll find one. We'll find one. We'll get there. Oh, that looks like it could be really neat, actually. Um, yes, yes. Really like that. That's super fun. Uh, like you can almost make them all interact with each other. Yeah, it's very the positioning's sort of hard here. I wish I understood the directions of what was going on a little bit better. I wish I knew which one to look at, right? Because we're actually getting like all 360 degrees here. Oh, that's the flourish on the flourish on the flourish. I'm really excited. I think this one will have some really nice screenshots to it. So I guess I don't have to go drawing, um, since we already have some cool stuff and we've already done some drawings. It's good to like reuse media and get multiple uses out of it. I guess I'm like really looking for things that do some repetition and periodicity here. But yeah, okay. I think I want to do one thing. I want to like make it like spooky. I got an idea though. Let's find one more, and then we're gonna get back on track. Uh, okay, let's see. None of this actually matters what I choose. I'm just like, what's what? That's sick. What's what? Yeah, great. How do we get it there? Something like that. That's awesome. All right, now, 1 second. I just want to grab myself a drink here. Cool. Didn't quite have the effect I wanted, but at least I feel better, right? I do take this. This is stoner programming, basically. Um, but let's start programming today. Um, I'm gonna put the camera on me real fast, and then actually, here's the deal: we need a notebook. Um, so I'm gonna close this out. I'm gonna go over here, and what we're seeing here is the Jupyter notebook, Jupyterlab tree, Jupyter notebook tree view. So this is how you navigate files in the single notebook version of Jupyter. So there's the complicated version of Jupyter, and then that's called Lab. If you're a screen reader user or need assistive technology or have friends and allies and accomplices who use assistive technology, I recommend the single notebook view, which kind of takes some of the components of Lab and separates them out. And I'm just going to make a new notebook so we can get started today. And this is great. Um, on one of the last streams, let's see, the videos. So we've already made these video players, and we are going to use them. I'm going to remember this, okay? And that's going to do allow. Okay, great. So that's cool. That's me. And then we're going to do that, and then it's going to ask for uh, permission, ideally. Okay, great. So now we can see both of these. Uh, I'm going to picture and picture that, and then I'm going to picture and picture that. And now we can basically consider our stream set up. I love it. I don't know why. It's just interesting when media brushes against media. I don't know if you can like control these little things with CSS or anything, but kind of wild because if I'm just gonna leave this open. This is over on my blog, and then that means we can get to business today. So the plan today is to draw a word as data, um, and let's see. This is file rename. Uh, I guess I did one yesterday. There's probably optimal times to do these things. Nobody's ever watched this shit. But that's okay. It kind of makes it easier for me to operate because I don't know. It's getting weird. Stream. Great. Rename. And so we're going to draw data. A word is data. And that's going to use like matplotlib. We probably think we already have that. I don't know. Do we already have that? Let's see. Yeah, we got matplotlib. No, we don't have matplotlib. Okay, let's import that matplotlib pyplot. Okay, some shortcuts went away and it kind of bummer. Draw data as a word, and then draw that data as HTML, and then we're gonna get funky with HTML. We might have to free up these cameras here. Doubt anybody's watching. Yeah, never anybody watching. It's so great. But yeah, no, of course that's not valid code. Why would that be valid code? It is. Boom. Anyway, so we're gonna need matplotlib here. So how do we draw a word? Great. Uh, matplotlib, pyplot. I don't alias these things because it just, actually reads better on a screen reader. So I wonder if there's just some axis. Can I just make an axis? Yeah, it doesn't get mad about that, does it? Sick. All right, so can I just say like axis off? Sick. And then can I say axis dot text? Sick. 0, 0. What do I say? Hey, let's just do an alphabet. Alphabet, it's like I've said it a few times. It's just a natural material. Let's make this a little bit bigger. I think you could just do size. Yeah, that's not bad. Sick, right? Okay, so now I think I can go and save figure. No, I need the GCA. I need the fig. Okay, so this is the current figure. Okay, and then that guy is going to say, ba, 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 save fig baller. Um, I'm just gonna put this to a buffer. Bless the walrus operator, and having like all this stuff cooked into my environment already. Say figure format equals. I guess I could. I think I can do PNG. Um, String argument expected. Uh, got bytes. Whoa! I guess it worked, and we got plot of it. So I think like NumPy from buffer should bytes like object. Great. What is that? That doesn't look right. That doesn't look right. Anyway, let's just like save this as a. Okay, we're just gonna save this as uh, word .png. Now we're just gonna use all the stuff that is. I should have scikit-image. I hope I do. Oh, I don't. Wild. Okay. Let's do Mamba install name p311 uh, image. Is it? I think it might be scikit image. I'm gonna need a dot y dash y because it's gonna prompt me. Nice. What are you doing, buddy? Whoa. Cool. Thanks for doing that, Quantstack. All right, lots of stuff. 43 megabytes. Oof. But hopefully I've got scikit image after this. Man, I guess this is what happens when you get like when you have progress in the. I get. Wonder if it's rich. I don't know if it is. Anyway, probably could use pill. All right, this should be better, quicker, faster. Come on. Oh, is it done? What is going on? All right, it's extracting. It's doing open JDK. Dear God. Oh my God, why do I need Java? Oh my God. I need open JDK for the W3C validator that I use for testing. Okay, do I have it now? You damn Skippy, I do. Sick. All right, let's just do that. And then I think I need like IO or some bollocks. I don't even know what that, I don't know if I use that right in read. And what do we call this? It doesn't matter. Just some file. Just some file. And then we'll go and I'll clean this up. Bang. That's great. I love it. So that means that let's make it. Let's flip it, and then let's divide by 255, and then we're gonna go and do a sum along the second dimension, uh, and then that's gonna be divided by 3. Uh, Great. And then can I do pandas from okay, so this is sparse. Let's just do a data frame. Okay, great. I just prefer to live this life. Yes, I do. All right, fuck oh man. Honestly, I just get a calm when it happens. I'm just gonna do all of this in here. All of this other stuff is shenanigans. Like I can't like really go back and like mess around with it in the ways that I'm familiar with. It's it's good to just like really get comfortable with some API. And if you can shred it, don't listen to all of the this is faster, this is better. Um, Not everybody's boards are the same. Okay, so it looks like that's like the max. Let's just do uh, stack value counts. Okay, so it basically it looks like there's a bunch of big values. Okay, so actually we should have done everything here. Okay, so how do I just like uh import skimage? Uh, what do I get here? Filters, transform, grayscale? No. All right, grayscale, image, RGB to grayscale. Come on, where you at? RGB. Okay, color, color, RGB to gray. Bomb. Okay, so then this one will be easier to reason with. Sometimes it's like, oh, I want to make computer codes do stuff, but when you're doing this interactive programming thing, it's like, oh, I want to reason with what I'm doing, and kind of hard to do with some of the modern AI systems. Input must, what did, okay, oh, RGB to gray. What is the shape of, oh, this is annoying me. Sorry, I wanted to get further by now. And I think it's like not focusing. It's a file shape. What's the shape? So it's got a length of 4. Okay. All right. So let's and it was mad because it probably doesn't want that like skimmage color RGB to gray. Sometimes you don't like keep the things in your brain. Okay, so I'm just gonna slice off this dimension here to 3. Yeah, nice. Okay, so that means that now, okay, uh, and then we're going to say that this is a data frame, uh, and uh, great. Okay, so now we can go and stack this, and then we can go and say everything that is, oh, crud. I wanted to do something to this. Okay, so let's go. Let's clean this up real. Let's do a thing real fast. So we're gonna go and say that in this data frame, everything. Uh, okay, so we want to go and do around. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Let's just do round on this. Nice. Okay. So df.stack is greater than zero point 0.5. Okay. df.stack uh, this, and then when we do unstack, now we get all these like nans and stuff. So I think this is our starting point uh, theories, because these are our points, right? So now we've got a data frame from an image, uh, and now if we go and take that to and turn it into a frame, actually we just need the index. Yeah, no, just need the index. And this is going to go to um, frame, and then it's going to reset index drop equals, actually, let's do index pandas. Let's just throw it right to, does it, does it translate that way? Oh, no, but this does. No, it doesn't? No, I guess not. Okay. Okay, great. Then let's call columns. Nice. Okay, so now we can go and take this, we're gonna, whatever it's, pandas, we're duck typing, and now we can go and do plot scatter star XY. Boom, very cool, very cool. So let's say it this way, um, and then run that. Okay, so now it's upside down. Um, so let's go and multiply y. df.y equals -1 df times. Oh, I guess I could just do this. That's kind of sweet. I like when I do that. Oh, I never really do that. That's jazzy. Okay, that's fun. Okay, that's super great. Now these values might not work when we get into the HTML space, but let's do one more thing on top of this. So now we've got this thing here. All right, I guess we got to do a little bit more work up top. Okay, just back in, it's like, oh, I'm working on foreground, working on the background. Um, okay, so this is gonna go im RGB to gray. Oh no, yeah, okay, okay, so im RGB to gray, im is greater than, yeah. Whew, look at that, look at that. That's it. Yeah, that's great. Okay, awesome, super fun. One, okay, df image. Okay, so then we don't need this. Yeah, that's still fine. The still condition still holds. And oh, okay, okay, all right. So image, what's im? I don't think what oh, I gotta put in back here. Okay, great. Yeah, no, that's awesome. That's awesome. Huh. I never thought about that. Like an in place greater than like that. I usually set it on itself. But anyway, we want to do one last thing. Uh, guessing. Nice. Okay. So we're gonna skeletonize him. All right. This will be cool. And what this is gonna do is it's gonna like reduce the number of points that we're actually working with. Isn't that neat? Yeah, now they're all like little skinny babies. Let's actually go and change our letters real fast, just so like less points is better for the cockamamie scheme I have in mind here. It's fun. It's fun. Okay, cool. All right, so we're over here, and this is not the one I'm gonna want. So I did some stuff like recently, and I realized instead of like drawing from scratch every time, it'll probably, uh, oh boy, tree. Okay. So I keep all of the contents all the work and stuff that I'm doing in these notebooks here. But yesterday or the other day, I did some weird stuff. I think it was yesterday's stream. Don't ask for the camera, please. Yeah, okay. So we did some plotting, and then we did some. Ooh, remember that? Yeah. Oh yeah, I forgot some things in here that Jupyterlab is doing that we didn't like. So let's clean those up super duper fast. It's worth revisiting. So they put this background on, and then they put it on the intermediate ones too. So now if we go and look at it, yeah, it's a lot clearer, many me's overlapping, right? And in theory, we could go and change the stuff. But what I really want to do is I want this. Um, put that there. Um, and then I wanted these two things. Um, I don't know if I'm going to need both of them, but they're in the code. So let's just kind of keep it there like that. Okay, so we've got HTML attributes, and then these are, we're going to work on letters here. Um, so this is going and asking for df.min on the style attributes, and that code will still work. So this is how we'll be able to do layout. We don't need this concept here. So now we're going to put the XY variables in the row style. Yeah, we're going to hide the header. We're not going to hide this guy yet. No, well, let's okay, hide. Okay, we'll show these things because we better see stuff before we start messing with these things that you can see where we're going. You see where we're going. All right, so what does this say now? df sample letters df.min. Okay, great. Just having a quick look. Object int is not iterable. Object int is not iterable. Df. Okay, we might even be able to get away with our negative letters. Okay, so let's see row dot values, row dot style, pipe. Um, okay, nice. That's right. Okay, so who's map self dot environment int level is not iterable. So one of these guys, row.values, let me get rid of that. Okay, it's not that. Okay. Um, okay, what's df.sample? Okay, df.sample. Okay, let's keep this and get rid of that. Okay, nice. Okay, let's just get rid of that. Nice. Okay, now we've got our values. So now let's see, what did we do in this one? Is it this one? Yeah, more of this. Isn't this? I love it. It's just the same video source. In theory, I should be able to go and change it. I don't know. I don't want to. I don't want to get into rerunning all this code because whatever. It's fun. Okay, so now we've got this, and we're gonna use this on our penguins or on our letters. Okay, dx is still gonna work. We don't need that. We can't use that. We can't be that. Um, this never worked. And now run it. Okay, it said no. Okay, what's it mad about here? Let's see. Okay, that stuff's all there. It's a really good sign. Um, and we're saying that this TR has those values. That's good. And I guess is anybody getting, nobody's getting positioned. So let's see, TR, and it is position absolute. Okay, did we look at the transform and see if it was cool with that? Let's go and check there and then get rid of these guys for now. Okay, okay, okay. All right. Hey, who are you? All right. Okay. Who are you? Okay, it doesn't look like that transform is ever finding its way over there, does it? Okay. So okay, ID let bang. Oh, yeah, right. Of course. Nice, 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 nice. Oh my God, it's gonna happen again. This makes me so excited. God, God, I've got so much going on here. All right, let's so yeah, right. This is so the height is really tall on this. Let's make it 200 pixels, and now there's our letters X and Y, and they're upside down actually. So one of the ways that we can go and fix that is to translate -1, maybe. Okay, 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 maybe not. So var, oh no, dx, uh, and maybe if we put it at here, no, okay, Let's find out how to flip an image real fast. Transform scale X minus 1. Nice, nice, nice. Just learning how to gain some, yeah. Oh no, now it's upside down again. Oh, scale Y. Is it working? Eh. Anyway, I might just like continue and like CSS. I'm not great with CSS yet, so like I don't. hmm, Okay, get me out of there. That's cool. Maybe it needs to be in the front. Like I said the other day, ordering's difficult. See, take deep breaths and just kind of hope it works. Oh, okay. It probably is working. I probably have to like shift it by a width, and it's probably easier to go into the actual date. Let's just get rid of this and make my life easier. Um, Sometimes I just don't get how this stuff works. There it is. It's awesome. All right. Let's make the height a little bit bigger to maybe 500 pixels. This way we can sort of see everything here. And then let's go and do this thing again. Uh, TD. Actually, I'm going to close. Okay, okay. I need to steal some code from here. We gotta say goodbye to this. I think my computer's starting to crank from it. So that's gone. Oh yeah, I can already feel it doing less. Okay, so we need change videos. Then we need to do change videos. Document forms. Okay, so we need our uh form. Where's our form? Where's our form? Uh, Table script. This is it. And we only want one of our webcams over here. Okay. So this is like part of the copy pasta sort of deal. Like you make like little pieces and then you start to get to put them together. And then over here, we're actually going to take away the camera view right now. I don't know if that changes nothing, but I'm going to close that thing in a second. So this is array from. Hmm, no, we never use that. We use this. Okay. 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 So how many points do we have? I'm gonna sample this down to about 20. Autoplay height equals 50. Width equals 50. Never know what anything stinking does. Uh, and there's some query selector that we got here. Cams. I don't like quotation marks aesthetically. I just always hated them. It's part of why I wrote this like weird little programming language. I'm doing all this shit in. It's not even, I didn't write anything. I just put other people's better ideas together, you know. But now we've got this. We got our, did we put our form over there? Okay, so our form needs to do its update sources guy. Uh, how do I change videos? This is update sources, update sources. Okay, update video sources. We need this one too. Okay, hope I can close this in a second. Okay, uh, sample 20. Where did everything go? Fuck, that was horse shit. Did I put T-Body in here? This is space. Great. Okay, so now I've hidden some things, and we still got that ugly stuff that I don't really like from Jupyterlab. We put our forms in, uh, and then we're gonna go and do script update form, update video sources. And I think since this browser has access to all of them, it's just the same one over and over again. Um, and let's see, video input. Let's go and see, escape. Uh, device is undefined. Okay, so we might have, okay, wait. So I have a feeling that some of the stuff's being blocked by another guy over there. And let's get to uh, closing these things actually. Okay, rerun again. Okay, device is undefined. Uh, where update video? Oh, right, yeah, sure, totally. Oh, shoot, and I just closed that other stuff. Device kind. I think I've got it actually over in here. Uh, update video sources, device kind, and then this stuff. Okay, good. Good on you. Okay, killer. Okay, okay, okay. It looks like it will only get my uh, me right now. Um, okay, okay. This is cool. So then we're gonna go and do the same thing here. So we could grab that. It's actually really quick and easy to write this. We're gonna go and say uh, put this in quotes, and this is actually gonna go inside of a document query selector all dot cams cam video. Where did I put it? Oh boy. Uh, video cams. Okay, cool. cams for each. And then this is video. I think this will work. Okay. Device is undefined. Overconstrained error. Okay. 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 Which one am I trying to access? Okay. See if any of these. Okay, that's good. That's a positive. Yes. 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 This is so fucking cool. This is so exciting. Oh my God. All right. Neat. So let's go back. Let's hide these things. Um, and then there I am. Cool. So I only got like 20 points here. So let's crank it up to 100. And then let's go and swap the cameras. Yes. Yes. This is the letter X and Y. Yes. 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 That's so sick. That's so cool. Man, uh, sometimes I wish I had folks who I could jam with on this, but man, I don't mind playing to an empty crowd because this stuff is fucking cool. And if you see it, I think you agree. Whatever, like or subscribe. Man, that was the first time I said that. I felt like that felt hoey. Uh, okay, nice. And this is without all of that stuff there. Right? So, man, this stuff starts to look pretty cool. Little Mishka eyeball there. Very sick. Very excellent. Very excellent. Oh my God, I'm so happy here. Yes. So fun. What else we got? Yep. Yes. What about like if we've got like two pens? That might be interesting actually. Um, the sort of crossing between them. There's the edge of the Y, the angle of the Y and the X, right? They all you can almost kind of see that they're this. Yeah, if you that's cool. So if you can kind of look and show that there's like a vector that's shared, you can almost see like incrementally how there's like a different angle on the things. But yeah, man, I hope people are into this. So let's see. Um, I really wanted to get some like thickness in here. Actually, we've got this XY. Let's take a break real fast and skip on over here. And let's, cool. Um, I wish I had like another little rip to keep on going. Oh my God, this is so stinking exciting to me. Um, so now, as I'm drawing, I'm gonna have all of this like layers. I mean, I've always wanted this inversion. I'm so psyched, folks. Folk, nobody. I'm so psyched, nobody. But yeah, this one we're gonna actually nail in like less than an hour. Sick. I gotta calm down. Mm. This stuff is fun for me. It doesn't make any sense, I don't think. Uh, but when you push stuff to the extremes, there's like a plastic part that you can't recover, but there's an elastic part that snaps back. And I just keep wondering, when's this stuff gonna kind of break? And it hasn't yet. It hasn't. Um, BRB. Just like running on coffee today. Got this great coffee mug. Um, I got it at some gift shop. I hope I don't spill it on my coffee. But it's by an artist named Craig Damrower. I don't know. I just need enough to like search for yeah, modern art. There you go. I actually have this book. It's really great. The binding, like the content is great. It did fall apart in my hands. But there's a bunch of like cheeky math equations in here. And yeah, it was a fun old thing. I think it was from the noughties, the naughty naughties, the naughty naughties after the 90s. Naughty naughties, 90s. Mm, great. I'm so excited about where we got to, together or alone, whatever. Coffee and then hydrate. Mm, great. Um, so now we're over here. I gotta get my like self to calm down. Otherwise, my hand shakes. It's really hard to do calligraphy when your hand shakes. So I want to find a way to get like jazzy with the top and jazzy with the bottom. Yeah, I brought my skizzers upstairs. I wish I had some. Um, anyway, okay. So it looks like I'll be able to like get something together with this like X and Y. I'm gonna be fat, man. I guess is fat gonna come back? Everything old is new again, right? Uh, but yeah, okay. So now let's go and start up here. Now we got these X's and Y's, but this it's all just freestyle. Every single part of this whole thing, a little bit of freestyle, right? Um, but now on the let's upset actually fucking rip it out here. Little perforations at the top of these rodeos are convenient at times. For the most part, they stay in real good. Um, but it might even make sense to just fucking more texture, extra sound, right? Like I said, I don't think I can do these things and not have them really be, performances, right? And like, I don't know, what are we trying to do here? We're just like putting media against media, right? Like something kind of super old, pre-type, pre-literacy right? We didn't really have. Oh shit! I was waiting for it to happen. I didn't touch it. I didn't touch it. It's so sassy. Anyway, cool, cool, cool. Felt it. Thames. XY. Should probably move this shit out the way though. Now that we're done working. I really like the convenience of doing the HTML elements. X, Y. Nice. Beautiful. Then the flourishes. Look at that. Look at that. Isn't that amazing? Oh my God. I never really thought like what doing this repetition of calligraphy is difficult, right? And you always misspell the last fucking word. You never, or you get all the way through and then you realize you misspelled the first fucking word, and that's some horse shit when that happens. But yeah, I really should go. Man, I did it in under an hour. Fuck yeah. Other thing I'm realizing is that while I'm doing this, the what I'm really doing is I'm using the computer as a camera. Um, and let me do fuck yeah. Nice. Here we go. And it's interesting because I've never really been able to think about like where else can you do collage with video? I was gonna do some more math on this, but I don't really think that it matters. But in theory, it's it's a few things. I know. I guess once I get to copy and pasting, it's a lot more. But what else do we say? Um, um, yeah. I just always want to use the F word. So I'm going to use the F word, and then I'm going to draw the F word because I don't know, it's my favorite word to draw. Um, it is an important thing and nice. Look at that. That's it. That's when you like give an upside down fuck. We want to use this webcam, uh, and hopefully, yes, yes. Okay, it's a little bit sparse. So in order to do this one, so like see, every time we're doing this, we're seeing like how far can we push like the computation, right? And let's see, is that just that should okay, yes. Okay, so here we are giving a fuck and an inverse fuck. I wonder if there you go. Look at that. Boom. It's great. My oh, I can't scroll any further. Hold on. Let me just like put some more guys there. There we go. Sweet. And then we can go and set, I know, see, I like this word so much, so I'm going to see how many times we can put the word. Uh, this is how most people feel when they're programming. This is when I'm excited, but fuck, 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 fuck. Great. I'm so happy. All right, I'm going to close it out with what I usually start with. That's kind of weird. Um, like I said, uh, fuck is the go-to word. Um, and I want to put my fucks inside this fuck. So let's crank this back up and let's try and draw with as much of a fuck as we can here. Uh, it's not bad. So not bad. FUC. Let's I think we needed to like be squished just a little bit. Let's where's our style at? Where we put our style at? Put all those cells in there. I hope it wasn't there. Yeah, style. To make it like 400 and hopefully it adapts nicely. Um, okay. Yeah, okay. It's a more reasonable. So like there's this other thing with type where you can usually read the top parts of the letters when they're cut off, right? Um, stuff. See, I like could be doing stuff with like the gradients and angles, and like it would be just like capturing things sort of beautifully. Um, Hands are always nice to put into this stuff. Um, Kind of like a very natural human thing. I don't know. For me, I just like know myself by my hands, and seeing my face is fucking weird. Um, yeah, when you get out in any of your hobbies or whatever you're doing, it's like, what's your first trick? And when I'm doing calligraphy, it's either an alphabet or just fuck. They're all over. I've given so many, some beautiful, some fuck ugly. But here we are drawing a fuck inside of a fuck. And I really don't know if folks understand how rewarding this could be for a calligrapher and a programmer, seeing these worlds sort of mesh in a natural way, sort of recapture some of the action and activity of calligraphy, right, in both programming and drawing. Can't really come from that way easily. So here we go. We've got this fuck. That's terrible fuck. It got sad at the end, but we've been at this for a minute. Let's rip this bad boy out. Thank you, Rhodia. These are my favorites. I used to really like Fabriano, and then the binding got bad. Um, I need stuffs to stay together. How many fucks can you put in your fuck? How many fucks can you put in your fuck? How many? How many? I don't know. If people find this vulgar, whatever, uh it's something that doesn't require me thinking too much. You might find it vulgar, but it's sort of funny the elegance against it all, isn't it? I mean, getting here programming wise, I think I should really actually bang again. Fuck, 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 fuck. Oh, I can kind of like. Oh, it's getting a little cocked up there. Uh, let's do some rips again. Actually, I'm gonna rip off parts we don't like. It's all trash anyway. It's making future trash. Old trash. Dog food. It's really disgusting to think about eating your own dog food. Fucking hate when people say that in meetings. And I just said it, so look at me. I'm like part of the damn problem. Fuck, 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 fuck. Fuck, 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 fuck. I know. Fuck, 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 fuck. Fuck, 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 fuck. Anyway, I'm fucking done. Peace.